Hello everybody, my name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator of Bear Bull Traders, and I would like to do a recap for you on my trades today. Only traded one ticker today. WKHS was really good to me. I got a great reversal off of a pre-market level. Just a really solid opening trade for this Monday, and really looking forward to getting this week going. I also took another trade on WKHS that I just recently stopped out of, but it worked really well. So I wanted to show you how I took that one as well. So WKHS, just to get going, the first thing that WKHS had going for it this morning was there was actually some catalyst on it. It had news with some financials that I think a lot of people saw as being a good thing for them. And because of that, you could see a lot more volume coming in this morning than you had seen maybe in the past week or so. One thing I did notice on the daily chart here was that WKHS had broken out on Friday with a good amount of volume, so I was looking forward to that. And then at the open, when I went to look at this pre-market, I noticed that we had come all the way back down, and what we were testing was the previous day's high and open. So these are really important levels to look at, especially pre-market, but really all throughout the day. And if you're looking for an easier, what I would call a less octane trade, so you're not talking about like an opening range break, but you're trying to play something a little bit more fundamental, these daily levels can really help you out a lot. So the first thing I want to draw attention to is this big hammer here on the previous daily level. WKHS was selling off pre-market, going, and then we got down this previous daily level through a big hammer on volume here, which is definitely something we should be paying attention to. So I let it go up, and it came back down, all the way back down, but notice where it could not make it. It could not make it to yesterday's open before it bounced off of it. So we've already kind of got some signals here of what I'm thinking, which is we had this nice hammer on volume, and then we came down here and couldn't make it to our previous daily level. So I'm just really waiting for the next drop to see what it's going to do. On the next drop, we come back down, and you notice we can't even make it to that new level. Rather, we have a big move down, we throw indecision and do a big move up, which sets a pivot, as I talk about quite often, to this downside here. And it gives me a really nice spot, 26.91. On the level 2, another thing you can notice was at 26.98 and 27, there was a lot of orders consistently coming in on the level 2, accumulating there. So it was really made me feel like I had a little bit of support coming from the rest of the market. So as soon as I went long here, it was a little bit of a wait, but got a great break up through the pre-market for awesome partials. Because of the strength and holding above VWAP, I went ahead and held it through the open and got a really nice move on it. Tried to do an add eventually, but stopped out at break even on that. So after that, it was just a little bit of a wait. I didn't want to trade too much. I'd already broken goal, so I really just wanted to give myself one more trade. I tried one trade on DKNG that worked. I got a partial on it, but stopped. And then I came back to WKHS, and then I saw this nice little setup here. So I went ahead and I went long here at 10 o'clock. Got some really nice partials. Now, the long indicator for this continuation for me started here. We had these nice 3 big building bars that came all the way back up to pre-market high. I liked that. And once we encountered pre-market high, there was no unnecessary volume generated up there. It just kind of fell back off of it back to VWAP. So I liked that. And then notice here at VWAP, every time we went to close below VWAP, we couldn't quite get a candle to hold and close below. It just kind of showed how well that was holding. So once it did it again, it moved up. I went long here. That also coincided with this. Notice here on the 15-minute chart, we had this indecision, but then we sold off on this and then made a new high. So when we made this new 15-minute high above the opening body here on WKHS, that's a good spot for a long there. And it also coincided with the break of the indecision here during this 5-minute pattern here. So all of those things together made it look really good. So I went long there, got some really great partials to finish off my day on WKS, and then I broke even. So that's my trade on WKHS. Nothing too complicated. Again, these are the kind of trades that you can go to on a lower volume or a lower move kind of day where you're just looking for some nice fundamental trades to take, but it's nothing too tricky, right? And these are some really solid ways to get in there and manage your trades. And that's going to be it. For all of our BBT members and friends abroad in Canada, I wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. I know you're going to be celebrating today. Hope everything goes well. Hope you have your libation and food choice and enjoy it most thankfully. And for everybody else, I hope you have a fantastic week. And as always, keep it green. Thanks.